Hey there! Welcome back to Parlot English. Today, it's not your average lesson, it's a revelation of secrets that can elevate your language learning game. Intrigued? Let's uncover the hidden gems. You've been told that immerse yourself, practice speaking, expanding vocabulary and taking formal courses can improve your English proficiency, and guess what? It is true. But we are here to help you with more specific tips for rapid improvement. Are you ready? In today's quick tip, we're talking about a simple yet effective tool to amp up your language game: sticky notes. They're not just for reminders, they can transform your daily environment into a language-rich space. Small yet powerful, sticky notes encourage daily language practice. Whether it's your morning routine or a quick study break, these bite-sized interactions add up over time. So, grab those sticky notes and transform your space into a language playground. It's a fun and practical way to level up your language skills. Give it a try and watch your vocabulary grow. Setting goals. It's not just a strategy, it's a game changer. Benefit is the ability to track your progress. Setting measurable goals allows you to see how far you've come. It transforms the abstract idea of language improvement into tangible achievements, boosting your confidence and reinforcing your commitment. To be specific, you can use the SMART goal settings. Setting language goals involves defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives to guide your learning journey. For example, achieve conversational proficiency to comfortably discuss daily activities in the language. Measurable, reduce pronunciation errors by practicing with a language app for 15 minutes daily. Achievable, learn 50 common language phrases and use them in simple conversations within a month. Relevant, master the most commonly used irregular verbs in daily conversation. Time-bound, complete a basic language grammar course within the next 8 weeks. There is a powerful language learning tool, the Vocabulary Journal. It's not just a notebook, it's your secret weapon to accelerate language improvement. First and foremost, keeping a vocabulary journal encourages active engagement with words. Instead of passively consuming language content, writing down new words forces you to interact and internalize, making them more likely to stick. Using English in social media is like having real-life conversations. It's not just about formal language, it's the informal, everyday expressions that make your English sound more authentic. One fantastic aspect is the immediate feedback you receive. Whether it's comments on your posts or direct messages, social media provides instant interaction. Use this as an opportunity to correct, learn, and improve your language skills in real time. We recommend you to follow Twitter accounts, Instagram profiles, or Facebook pages dedicated to English language learning. Examples include at Parlor English in Facebook or language learning communities. Subscribe to YouTube channels that provide educational content in English, such as TED-Ed, Vsauce, or educational channels specific to your interests. Watch videos, take notes, and engage with the content. Watching YouTubers offers a visual context that enhances comprehension. Visual cues, body language, and facial expressions provide additional context to the spoken language. It's like having a built-in language lesson with every video. The beauty of YouTube lies in its vast content. You can find YouTubers discussing a multitude of topics. Whether it's technology, beauty, travel, or gaming, there's a YouTuber out there sharing content in your area of interest, making learning both enjoyable and relevant. So, choose YouTubers who create content related to your interests or hobbies. Begin with subtitles in your native language, then switch to subtitles in the target language as you progress. Pause and repeat phrases after the YouTuber to practice pronunciation. Keep a notebook or digital document to jot down new words or phrases from each video. Engage in language-related hashtag challenges on platforms like Instagram or Twitter. For instance, join hashtag Word of the Day challenges where users share and discuss new vocabulary. There you have it, the secrets to unlocking your language potential. It's not just a lesson, it's a revelation, an exploration into the hidden realms of language mastery. If you're curious to unravel these mysteries, hit that like button, subscribe for more cryptic language insights, and share your thoughts in the enigmatic comments below. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together.